Hello and Assalamu alaikum, and today I'm gonna make Papri Chaat. It's very good for the guest and for the summer, and it's a snack and it's tasty as well. So I'm gonna show you how I make my one. So first thing is I'm gonna use 1 cup of flour, plain flour, and I'm gonna use half a cup of semolina. And I'm gonna put like half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of ghee. I'm just gonna try to mix everything. Just do it like this, so everything, as you can see, has to mix everything properly. By the way, I'm using this suji is semolina. It's very fine one, so it's very good for that one. So just try to do like this. As you can see, it should come like this. So as you can see, it's everything mixed now. So I'm just, look, it should be like this. So I'm just gonna add just plain water, just a plain normal water, bit by bit. Just add slowly. As you can see now, the dough is ready, so it should be like this, soft, not too soft, but it should be like this. So just rest it for 10 minutes. I'm just gonna rest for 10 minutes. Let's start something else. I just got a little bit of flour there, so I'm just gonna break it to half. Leave the half there. Yeah. So just try to make it round as you can.
Show the thickness.
And it should be like this.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to roll it now. Just try to do it like this.
Yep.
So the dough should be like this thick. It shouldn't be more thick or thin. It should be like this, as you can see. So just gonna do with the fork like this. I don't want to puff when I'm frying. So if you do like this, it's not gonna puff. That should be enough. And I've got a round circle thing. You just get anything you could find, something round, that should be alright. So just gonna make it like this circle. That's it. Should come off. Yep. So just do it like this. It should be coming like this. I'm just doing some more now. I just did that first. Now I just got to finish that. Then I'll go to the next step. So I just heat up oil now. It's just, as you can see, quite like halfway, more than halfway, and it's hot now. So I'm just gonna fry those little papris now. It should be like this, and my heat medium heat. It has to be medium heat. You don't want to burn. You want to slowly cook. Just put one by one. So just put half there now, and I'll put the rest. It just needs to be, as you can see, like this, golden brown, not burnt, but this lovely color, like this nice color. It's so easy and quick to make, and you could see so delicious as well for a snack. Especially Asian people love this kind of snack. Just take just about 2 to 3 minutes to do it, and it's nearly done. So I'm just gonna take out some of the ones nearly done. I don't want to get burned. You have to keep checking. Yeah, just gonna take these out now. Just gonna put the second lot in now. Now you could see it's all done now. I fried it, all of them, and the fry should be like this. When you're doing like this, should be banging like this. So that means it's so perfect. So I'm gonna plate up now. Just do it like this, just go round. That should be fine. So I'm just using, this is some chopped cucumbers. Just do like this. Oops, some fall. Chopped red onion, very fine chopped. Now I'm doing the pomegranate seed. It gives a really lovely color. I might use all these onions because my daughter loves onions. So I'm just gonna put all of them. Just gonna put these boiled potatoes. I boiled it and I chopped like small cubes. obviously you have to have it's a chaat, so you have to have a green chilies in there, and tomatoes as well. It's all very fine chopped. Gonna add the corianders now. Could do just how you want it. It should be all these ingredients so it tastes nice. And this is yogurt. I just mixed it properly. So I'm just gonna put is a plain Greek yogurt. Just do like this. I got some turmeric paste in there. That has to be there. It's very sour, so because it does lift up the dish. And I'm gonna use some Bombay mix. This is some Bombay mix. It has to be Bombay mixed in there. I'm crushing chips. That's it. That's all you needed. I hope you enjoyed it, and I enjoyed it as well showing you, and I'll see you in my next video. Please do like and subscribe, and Assalamu alaikum and bye.